myself Aarti. Today I want to tell about some grammar topics. First of all, parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes called parts of speech. There are 8 types of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First of all, noun. A noun is a word used to name as a person, place, or thing. Second, pronoun. Pronoun is a word is used in place of a noun. Verb. A verb is a word which is used to express an action or state. Adverb. An adverb is a word which is used to add something to the meaning of a word. Adjective. An adjective is a word which is used to express, which is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Preposition. A preposition is a word which is used to denote the person, how the person or thing denoted by noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word which is used to join the words or sentences. Interjection. An interjection is a word which is used to express some sudden feelings. And second topic is the noun case. There are 3 types of noun case. First of all, nominative case. When a noun or pronoun is used as the subject of a verb is called nominative case. Accusative case. When a noun or pronoun is used as the object of a verb is called accusative case. Third, possessive case. The form of the noun is changed due to possession is called possessive case. Due to show ownership or possession is called possessive case. Formation of possessive case. When a noun is singular, then the possessive case is formed by adding s to the noun. When a noun is plural but ends with s, then the possessive case is formed by adding only an apostrophe. When a noun is plural but do not ends with s, then the possessive case is formed by adding s to the noun. When a noun or title consists several words, then the possessive sign attached to the last word. When two nouns are closely connected, then the possessive sign is attached to the last letter. Third, adjective. Adjective is a word which is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Its parts. First, adjective of quality. Show how the person of kind, and adjective of a quantity. Show how much of a thing are mean. Adjective of number. Show how many persons or things are mean. Demonstrative adjective. Those adjectives which are used to point out persons or things. Emphasizing adjective. The words often and very are called emphasizing adjective. Exclamatory adjective.